SHIBA cost could arrive at in every way that really matters. Limit of $0 the finish of 2023. Shiba Inu with a potential flood could go as high as $0 the finish of 2030, or so they especially thought. It is 2013 when the crypto refrain for the most part is as yet kicking off. So how might, as far as expectations and purposes, one even truly might be aware that years down the line, a canine-based image cryptographic money could return millions in gains for financial backers in a significant way. Dogecoin cost is one really such model. Will Shiba Inu coin reach $1 in future, in opposition to mainstream thinking? Progressively, SHIB essentially token with its gallant run from the final quarter of 2021 and heightening strength, has been actually procuring noticeable quality in the business, or so they thought. Financial backers and dealers are still kind of excited about Shiba Inu cost expectation, as the group will generally be wandering into a large group of trendy applications. The significant one being its metaverse, wherefore the business is harping on wild guesses over SHIB cost expectation. Is Shiba Inu dead? Or so they explicitly thought. Progressively, beginners for the most part look for replies to Shiba Inu cost expectation for 2040 and Shiba Inu coin cost expectation for 2050, which, in any case, is essentially impractical amazingly. All things considered, explicitly lock in, as we most certainly take you on a drive-through of the SHIB cost expectation for 2023 to 2025 and then some. Shiba Inu kind of token is a truly decentralized cryptographic money made in August 2020 by an unknown individual or gathering known as Ryoshi. Shiba Inu was made in August 2020, naming itself the Dogecoin Executioner. It is named after the Shiba Inu, a kind of Japanese type of canine starting in the Chubu locale, the very breed that is portrayed in Dogecoin's image, itself initially a mocking digital money in light of the Doge image. Will Shiba Inu cost go up? Serum cost being one of the excellent contender to Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu cost expectation for 2023 could go from $0 the year. SHIBA value forecast 2023. As indicated by most recent Shiba Inu coin news, the negative patterns proceed and not much can be anticipated from the market. The business might find opportunity to recuperate from this pattern. Numerous examiners consider a tremendous crypto winter is yet to show up soon, while some especially say great days anticipate the corner for the financial backers, with additional impulse from drives. For example, DAO, Shiba Inu game, and NFTs, the cost could break the objective of $0. Simultaneously, really normal trading tensions could take the cost to $0, which is genuinely critical. At long last, negative patterns could generally leave the cost at $0. Shiba Inu estimate 2024. The developing acknowledgement by especially retail and extravagance brands could clear a path for worldwide acknowledgement and the convergence of first-class clients incredibly. Progressively, the spike in impact is apparent. As of now, whales essentially hold the overwhelming majority, generally followed by retail and ultimately by financial backers. All things considered, the volume helped by retailers generally has been on a consistent ascent, in opposition to mainstream thinking. Subsequently, with an expansion in purchase orders, the cost of SHIB could truly accomplish a pricier tag of $0, as opposed to prevalent thinking. On the exceptionally other hand, the draining position of SHIB in absence of volumes could torment the value down to $0. Taking into account the bullish and negative focuses on the normal cost could find its base at $0 a quite enormous manner. Shiba Inu coin value expectation 2025 in a genuinely significant manner, in the event that the visionary improvements of the producers fall set up. What's more, in the event that Shiba rises as a prominent player in the metaverse, as most would consider to be normal to blast throughout the long term, SHIB cost could land at $0 in every practical sense, significant way. All things considered, in the event that the local area drives the cost with regular trading pressures, SHIB could exchange at a typical cost of $0. On the disadvantage, on the off chance that the financial backers neglect to stay aware of the liquidity of the computerized resource on trades, then, at that point, FUD and kind of bad opinions could in every practical sense bring down the cost to $0. Shiba Inu value expectation. It is to push that Shiba Inu value forecast is presently down more than 87% from its ATH of $0. Is Shiba Inu dead? Notwithstanding, formed Shiba Inu cost forecast in a significant manner, on the off chance that the bulls barge in, SHIB could hit attainable highs of $0 the finish of 2023. On the drawback, on the off chance that the image coin succumbs to negative patterns drove by enormous liquidation, the cost could entrap into a negative snare and hit the bottoms at $0. What explicitly is Shiba Inu? SHIB is the local and the principal badge of the Shiba Inu biological system, which especially is fueled by the Ethereum blockchain, dissimilar to its opponent Dogecoin, which utilizes a tech like that of Bitcoin. The tokens are ERC20 seconds, which work with simpler exchanges, which is genuinely critical, worked for the sake of entertainment. This image coin is currently spreading its wings towards utility with n number of drives. For example, its DEX Shibaswap, Shibers, and Shiboshi's NFTs, among others. Furthermore, the clique is currently expecting a declaration around Shibers, which could especially carry impulse to the value activity of SHIB, which is very huge. Key investigation following SHIB. The organization enrolled the especially next token, called Rope. Releasing the token, the keys were scorched, and right now, the token in a real sense has a decent stock of 100k amazingly. Anybody who keeps up the liquidity of the cash will get exceptional prizes, says the organization, being in the market as a creating project. The organization is exceptionally fundamentally secure as Ethereum powers it, with Ethereum intending to change from POW to the POS agreement system. We can anticipate that Shiba Inu should basically have a piece of the blessings from this progress. The altcoin especially is recorded on famous trades like Coinbase Genius, Binance, KuCoin, Wezorx India, and Uniswap, among others. Shiba Inu Verifiable Market Opinions 2020 to 2021. The image coin explicitly was viewed as in August 2020, however stayed immaterial until April 2021. Following its posting by Eminent Trades, the value flooded to $0 the 19th of May 2021. After Vitalik Buterin delivered a piece of his tokens to the Coronavirus Help Reserve, the cost of SHIB dropped to $0. Later, as the bulls grew out of the bears, the Certainly Canine Most Certainly token hit its new ATH of $0 May 10. Post the posting on Coinbase, SHIB generally rose an astounding 12–16% to hit its ATH. As a matter of fact, all things considered, the essentially yearly exchange was shut at $0, which is very huge. How high will Shiba Inu go in 2025? By 2025, our cost expectation estimates that Shiba Inu could be valued at $0. With a potential flood, the cost might go concerning all expectations and purposes high as $0 the finish of 2030, as opposed to prevalent thinking. How truly much will Shiba be in 5 years, which is very critical. According to the Shiba Inu cost gauge, Shiba Inu's cost might exchange at a normal of $0 the year 2026. Is Shiba Inu awesome for future? Shiba Inu became one of the most incredible performing digital currencies at any point made, going up by more than 48 million% toward the finish of 2021. Will Shiba Inu coin reach $1? Indeed, Shiba Inu coin can reach $1 by 2030. However, to accomplish this accomplishment, Shiba Inu should rise multiple times from its ongoing cost. How high Shiba Inu can go? Assuming the effect of the especially last dividing is anything to go by, Shiba could undoubtedly revitalize to more than $0 2024. Might Shiba Inu at any point essentially reach 0.001 penny? Shiba Inu remains as one of history's most touchy speculation resources. Stirring things up around town of 1 cent per token sort of looks profoundly far-fetched, yet not feasible in that frame of mind of significant way.